twilight. Which one will have the right blood type? Rogs and Victor and Amy. Better think twice to whom they may marry. Tick tock tick, the countdown from start to end, it's a showdown. Could be the end of